Constant pop-up alerts from websites can get distracting fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Chrome notifications completely, block notifications from specific websites, and stop future notification requests. First, open Google Chrome. Go to the top right corner and click the three vertical dots. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security from the menu on the left, then click Site Settings. This is where Chrome controls permissions for websites, including notifications. Scroll down to the Permissions section and choose Notifications. You will now see the settings that control which websites can send alerts through Chrome. To stop notification requests from every website, choose the option called Do Not Allow Sites to Send Notifications. Chrome will block future notification pop-ups, so websites cannot ask you for permission anymore. If you only want to stop a few websites, look under the section called Allowed to Send Notifications. Find the website you want to block, click the three dots next to it, then choose Block. You can also choose Remove instead of Block. Removing the site clears its notification permission, which means it can ask again later if you visit it. Blocking is better if you never want notifications from that site. If Chrome notifications still appear on Windows, you can turn them off at the system level too. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then Notifications. Find Google Chrome in the app list and switch its notifications off. On a Mac, open System Settings, select Notifications, then choose Google Chrome. Turn off Allow Notifications to stop Chrome alerts from appearing on your screen, and that is how to disable Chrome notifications. You can block every website, manage individual sites, or turn Chrome alerts off through your computer settings. Thanks for watching.